Elementor Developer 101, Create Custom Elementor Widget. Elementor is a popular WordPress page builder plugin that allows users to create custom layouts and designs for their websites without needing to write any code. It provides a drag-and-drop interface, making it easy for users of all skill levels to create professional-looking websites. Here's an overview of Elementor for developers, including its requirements, features, cons, and pro tips for getting started with it. What is Elementor Developer? Elementor Developer refers to using Elementor's advanced features and customization options to create highly tailored and bespoke websites. It involves leveraging Elementor's extensive widget library, templating system, and custom CSS/HTML capabilities to create unique designs and functionalities. Requirements *1. WordPress Elementor is a WordPress plugin, so you'll need a self-hosted WordPress site to use it. 2. PHP Elementor requires PHP version 5.6 or higher. 3. WordPress theme while Elementor is compatible with most WordPress themes, using a theme specifically built to integrate seamlessly with Elementor can enhance the development experience. Features *1. Drag and drop editor Elementor's intuitive drag and drop editor allows developers to easily create complex layouts and designs without writing code. 2. Template library Elementor offers a vast library of pre-designed templates for various website sections, including headers, footers, and individual pages. 3. Widgets and elements Elementor provides a wide range of widgets and elements to add functionality to your pages, including text, images, buttons, forms, sliders, and more. 4. Theme Builder with Elementor Pro, developers can create custom headers, footers, single post templates, archive templates, and other theme elements. 5. Custom CSS/HTML Elementor allows developers to add custom CSS and HTML code to further customize the appearance and behavior of elements. Cons *1. Performance overhead while Elementor generates clean code, using too many widgets and complex designs can impact page load times and performance. 2. Dependency on Elementor plugin websites built with Elementor rely on the Elementor plugin, so compatibility issues or conflicts with future WordPress updates or other plugins can potentially affect the site's functionality. 3. Learning curve while Elementor is user-friendly, mastering its advanced features and customization options may require some learning for beginners. Pro tips for getting started with Elementor Developer *1. Familiarize yourself with Elementor documentation Elementor provides extensive documentation, tutorials, and resources for developers. Take the time to explore these resources to understand the plugin's capabilities fully. 2. Experiment with templates and widgets Start by experimenting with Elementor's templates and widgets to understand how they work and how you can customize them to fit your needs. 3. Use custom CSS/HTML sparingly while Elementor allows for custom CSS and HTML, try to leverage its built-in features and widgets as much as possible to maintain performance and compatibility. 4. Optimize for performance keep performance in mind when designing with Elementor. Optimize images, minimize the use of animations and heavy effects, and use caching plugins to improve page load times. 5. Stay updated regularly update both Elementor and your WordPress installation to ensure compatibility and security. By following these tips and exploring Elementor's features, developers can leverage its powerful capabilities to create stunning and functional websites for their clients or projects.